Guys, I think my friend dropped something. Ano yan? Ano yung Raven? Wala naman ah.
May ilaw. May tao. Ay, wala namang tao. Kita mo?
Ano yung nahulog? Ano yan?
Ano yun? May tao. Wow, nabigla. Hanapin natin sa puto yung kabre.
Wait lang.
Kabre, hanapin natin. Yung kabre,
There's a
hanapin
stick.
natin.
Wait lang, Raven.
Ah, baka
Raven. Point here, Raven. I'm gonna try it with the stick. The stick is this long. Oh no.
hanapin natin
The wind
yung
is so
kabre.
the wind is so lakas. Wait, Raven, point here. I'm trying to.
Kita mo yun,
Bro, I don't find anything. Why is it so windy? Uy, so windy, bro.
Hanapin natin yung kabre.
Eh?
Ito yung kabre. Nakita mo?
Wala.
Hanapin natin.
Raven. Dito oh. Ano yun? It's a flying horse. Oh no. Why is it